here in IMR, we do a lot of maturity assessments as part of digital transformation, and we look at it through SIRI, which is your Smart Industry Readiness. And what we find is that vertical integration, that's the connection between your ERP systems and your flow, is just lacking in companies. Do you see that, or is that a gap in ERP implementation?
Very interesting point, Nick. And yes, it is a big gap in ERP implementations. To be honest, if ERPs sit at the IT level, at the software level, that data input is pretty critical. And whether that data is coming from machine or a human input, and that makes a big difference. So nowadays, when you go into kind of major implementations, we're working with, coincidentally, Noel, another food business based in Cork. All that data, when you're putting a lot of tomatoes in a weighing scale, you want to get that data to the ERP system immediately. That connection isn't available. And that connection is available when it comes to, Siemens and SAP systems. The SMEs can't afford that. So there is a big gap available there. There's a big gap there where, yes, SMEs need this system, and that system doesn't exist. So is there a plug-and-play system? There isn't one, because all the manufacturers of these hardware devices are different. Weighing scales are different. And then it comes to ERP systems. There are thousands of ERP systems out there. We provide 3 of them, we work with 3 of them, but there are others available. And how do you make sure that every hardware integrates with another ERP or software system out there? Yes, we can.
It's a big gap. Okay. Any suggestions how to plug the gap?
Yeah, I think that idea is brilliant. Yes, Owen, you and me met long time ago, and you started from a very right place later on. Yes, kind of going, decide what you can do, but then having an in-house
capability
brain is very important. If you can't manage this yourself, an external third party will not be able to handle it for you. It's like, I always take the example of, get you the best car possible. But if you don't know how to drive it yourself, you'll be dependent on somebody else coming in and driving it for you, and they won't be able to get you the best result. Take the car example, or take the forklift example. You get a forklift, you really want somebody else to come in and drive it for you?